Welcome back to another video. Today we have the buy more, save more from Milwaukee. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to try and get the better deals. If you guys don't know what the buy more, save more, this is the new Q1 February first quarter, however you want to say it, deals from Milwaukee. We're gonna be looking to see the better price, the least amount of money we can pay for these tools. So right off the bat, what you do is you go to HomeDepot.com and you click or you search on buy more, save more Milwaukee, and it should bring you up to this page. So very simple. You can do that on your smartphone. You'll get all the list of all these tools. There's a lot of tools to choose from. So let's start with this one. Let's start with this first row here. So the way it works is that I believe you have to get the maximum amount of money off. You have to get closer to the $500. So $499, $500. So let's try and get that, and I'll show you guys what that means. So what you do is, and if you guys do know, all these tools have the buy more, save more at the bottom at the price. So all these are on that deal basically. So what you do is just add so $279, add it to the cart, and then just what happened there. I think it's in the cart already. What's wrong? What's going on? Okay. So add it to the cart. And we're just going to keep adding tools and see what, see if that'll help us out. So we're up to $378. It says 179. Okay, so cancel that and go to cart. So we're at $507. We're at 23%. So let's go ahead and view this this items here. So right off the bat, you're getting 23% off. So from $199, you're gonna end up paying $153. And what you could do is pretty much what you can buy all these tools, keep them, or you can search the tool that you want. Let's say you want this brushless cordless brad nailer, and you can return these two. Basically, that's what you can do. Return those at the store, and just keep this one if that's what you want to do. So we're gonna try and get it. Try and get this closer to $500. I know we're at $657, so we're gonna try and lower it down. So let's see here. We're gonna take this angle grinder off. Okay, so to get to $500, we need a tool. Let's see here. All right. I'm going to go back. All right. So 179. All right. So we're at 458. We need something a little bit more expensive. So what is this? 179. 179. So we're gonna choose something a little bit more expensive. Maybe this one. Hold on. We might be able to get it with this one. So 3 items in cart. Let's check out the cart. So you're at 22% because you got a lot more items here. All right. So this is gonna be the closest you're gonna be able to get it. So your goal, so if you want to, let's say you want this tool. If you want that tool, add it to the cart and pretty much play with all the tools that there is available until you get it closer to $508. Or not $508, but $500 or $499. If you could get it to $499 or $500, you're gonna get the most out of this deal. So you're gonna get it up to 30% off on these tools. So from $279, you're gonna end up paying $196 on this brand nailer, which is one of the nicer tools that everybody wants. And with this cordless brushless oscillator multi-tool, if you don't want this, then you can just return the multi-tool and then just keep this for the $196, which is a great smoking deal. Or if you want this multi-tool, you can pretty much play with it until you get to $500 and you're good to go on that. So let's try a different approach here. So remove. So if you guys want to get this set up, these are the two tools to combine. So let's take that off and let's add a few more here. So yeah, 30% is gonna be your maximum. I would say your maximum discount you're gonna be able to get with these tools. So let's say so 149. Let's see here. You got the stubby here, stubby. All right. The stubby, so it's 179. And let's add this one. All right. And then let's add, we need something cheaper. See, some of these tools are already sold out in some of the stores. So we're just going to add it. All right, so 3 items in cart. All right, so we're at $587, so we're pretty much $87 off the $500. You're still getting 26%. So that's a really good deal still. You're going to be, for this fuel brushless cordless 3/8 ratchet, you're going to end up paying $125, which is a great deal. Same thing with this mid torque wrench. This is Gen 2, so this is the older one. You're going to be paying $177, and then for the stubby, you're going to be paying $133. So you guys see the difference in the prices. There's different ways you guys could combine this. So we're a little bit higher. I'm just going to select the tool and we're going to see if we can get a cheaper tool. So we need to be $87 cheaper. So we're going to delete this one and try to get something cheaper, in case those are the tools that we want. So let's see here. Let's say we want the cordless brushless right angle diagram there. Let's see if it'll take it closer to the $500 mark. So we got it to $527, 28%. If you guys did see, it did drop a little bit. I believe it was 123 or something like that. So I dropped a few bucks. That's just pretty much the cheaper you're going to be able to get it. So anyways, play with it. There's a lot of tools you guys could choose from. There's hundreds, not hundreds, but there's a whole lot of tools. You can get the long reach extended ratchet. See all the bandsaws, the cordless bandsaws, all the ratchets. See all the pages that you got here. You got the backpack. You got the cordless reciprocating saws. You got the miter saws. You guys got some pliers you guys can put in there for $20. If you guys want to get it, if you guys are like 400 and you know, 70 or $480, you want to put a $20 item or a $14 item so you can get it to the $500 mark. That's pretty much your best price you're gonna get. So I would definitely check this out. There's a lot of smaller tools like $7.97, $14.97 you guys could put in there. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.